Hi, my name is Jason. I'm at Electric Bike Technologies in Pennsylvania, and today I want to show you our game-changing Electric Fat Trike, now available in the 4 stunning colors you see behind me. Experience unparalleled stability and performance with its powerful motor, fat tires, and advanced LCD display. Plus, it's perfect for carrying all your gear. No terrain is too tough for the Electric Fat Trike. Conquer hills, tackle off-road adventures, and glide effortlessly along grass, gravel, or the road. Best of all, our Electric Fat Trike is the most affordable option on the market when compared with any other electric trike with comparable features. Electric Bike Technologies is an industry leader. We've been doing this since 2008. We've got thousands of parts right here in our Bucks County warehouse, a tire-to-tire 1-year warranty, and a world-class customer service desk. One of the great things about the Electric Fat Trike is it ships fully assembled. The only adjustment you'll have to make on delivery is your seat height with this quick release, and adjust your handlebar to your desired angle and use this supplied Allen key to tighten it up. And don't forget, at Electric Bike Technologies, we ship all of our trikes flat rate direct to your door with liftgate service. That's anywhere in the contiguous United States. So don't wait. Order your Electric Fat Trike today from Electric Bike Technologies and have some fun this summer. Elevate your outside adventures with the ultimate electric trike experience.